Alright, I'm going to try to put this Mikuni on 10mm, or I'm trying to do a 3/8. It doesn't work. It's supposed to be so much faster. Goodbye GPS. Move this. Don't know if I'm going to need that or not. There we go. Unwind this cable. It's for my tack. Take this off. I'm just gonna new line on, new filter. And then, let's see. The spring's here holding the governor arm. I'm going to take that off because we need to take this adapter off. I'm going to leave the top plate and get rid of this. Okay, so we all learned. Apparently, these got pretty backed up, pretty tight together. And then you just work it loose. Like so. Took me a while off camera to figure it out. Not really a while. I like to port these intake and whatnot. Gaskets. I got some fancy gaskets from a Ownby warehouse. So I'm lining up. It's going to go like that. And it's going to be pretty close to the wheel. Look at that. I had a smaller pod. I put a bigger one on, but I might take it and put the small one back on. Alright, so I still got my old gasket on, but I'm going to go ahead and add a second one. I just gotta find an Allen wrench. Right up to here is where I was going to cut it. That way if this stretches out over time, I can always loop it back. Alright, so we got the Mikuni on. We got our fuel filter, new fuel line, Mikuni. Didn't do kill switch, redone the throttle. Okay, hold on. So we ran our fuel filter from the pulse pump down. I never had one of these, so I don't know if it's right or not. We'll see. And then our throttle cable, with it coming straight down, how they used to, it was pulling, it was breaking our casing. So I used the bracket from the top plate, ran it through, ran the cable down, got this little piece here that came off another brake setup, and my cousin, he's a contractor, he was able to get me some of this this cable from like drop down ceilings. Got some of that. My cable was too short,